Have you ever wondered what the future of transportation looks like? Or how we can reduce our carbon footprint while still enjoying the convenience of personal vehicles? These are questions that have been tickling the curiosity of many as we navigate through the 21st century. As we all know, the clock is ticking on climate change, and it's crucial that our modes of transportation evolve to meet this challenge. Imagine a world where your car is powered not by gas, but by the clean, infinite energy of the sun. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. Solar-powered cars are no longer just a concept, they are a reality. Vehicles that harness the power of the sun are not only possible, they are here, and they promise a future of transportation that is not only sustainable but also efficient. What if the answer to these questions is already here, and it's shining down on us from above? Solar-powered cars, as the name suggests, use the power of the sun to fuel their journeys. Imagine a world where the sun doesn't just light up your day, but also fuels your commute. This is the world of solar-powered cars. But how does it work? It's not as complex as you might think. Essentially, these vehicles are designed with solar panels on their surface. These panels are made up of photovoltaic cells, which might sound like a mouthful, but they're just tiny devices that convert sunlight into electricity. Picture this. The sun shines on the car, the solar panels soak up the rays, and the photovoltaic cells get to work. They transform those sunbeams into electricity, which is then used to power the car's electric motor. It's like a photosynthesis process for your car, taking in sunlight and turning it into the energy that propels you forward. The beauty of solar-powered cars is not just in their mechanics, but also in their benefits. Let's talk about emissions, or rather, the lack thereof. Unlike traditional cars that run on